The times are changing. The original intention remains unchanged. Intelligent manufacturing. Our heart's desire. What kind of longing is it? What kind of motivation is it? Inspire us to keep moving forward. In the new era of rapid development, Hengyao Automation has been founded since 2016, bearing the mission: focus on advanced technology in the industry, specializing in the research, development, manufacture and sale of automated equipment for finished products of various kinds of non-woven environmental protection materials, linking the world with smart technology. Bring innovation into life. Through years of scientific management and the tireless efforts of all staff, obtain national high-tech enterprises, CE certification and multiple invention patent certificates, gradually establish a competitive advantage in the industry of fully automated equipment for finished non-woven fabrics. Since the company establishment, we have been adhering to the core values of integrity, dedication, harmony, innovation, struggle, and execution, rapid and stable development, adhering to the corporate vision of to become a global leading intelligent equipment enterprise for non-wovens, to fulfill the corporate mission of bring innovation into life. The company adopts modernized part management mode, standardized workshop management system, process-oriented production standard, digital verification method, intelligent quality testing, relying on internationalized cutting-edge technology, strong R&D strength and manufacturing capability to provide customers with a complete solution from a single device to a series of intelligent production equipment based on the principles of health and hygiene, safety and environmental protection, especially in the intelligent production lines of various functional disposable face mask equipment, beauty and life consumables equipment, hotel disposable products equipment, medical consumables equipment, filtration consumables equipment, and so on. We have independently developed a series of intelligent equipments, forming a whole industry value chain integrating independent core technology, core components, core products, and industry system solutions. The company has introduced many sets of high-precision processing equipment imported from Japan, Taiwan, and Switzerland. The quality of the automation equipment meets the global industry standards. Well received by the market through a complete sales system in a multi-level market and mature sales channel at home and abroad. The products are exported to 68 countries and regions all over the world. Annual sales of over $100 million. In future development, our company insists on the corporate philosophy of product first, technology first, quality first, and service first, firmly believing in the sustainable development of health, hygiene, safety, and environmental protection. We are making great strides toward the grand vision of to become a global leading intelligent equipment enterprise for non-wovens. Striving for a new era, seizing new opportunities, meeting new challenges, sharpening the new journey. All of our Hengyao staff will continue to write a new chapter for the development of the company.